'cause I'm slowly breaking down, even when I hold you close. Oh, and if I lose you, I'm afraid I would lose who I gave my...
Hi guys, I know it's been a couple days since I picked up the camera and actually vlogged for you guys, so yeah, I'm always sorry, but whatever. I'm gonna go put Jaxson on the bus. We have 3 more weeks until school is out, and I'm just like so glad. Half of a day is just, I'm just tired of taking him to put him on the bus for half a day. Like, it's tiring. But 3 more weeks and school is out, and then after that, turn TV off. After that, I gotta go to the grocery store. I gotta go pick up dinner. I gotta go pick up dinner and get Jaxson some snack. I turn these lights off before I go. I gotta take Maddie with me because, of course, Maddie goes where I go. And I have to baby wear her because my stroller broke. My husband broke my stroller, so I have to baby wear her. And where's my car keys? And I gotta carry this little one right here. Oh, and my car keys, my wallet, and my phone. All right, go, buddy. Juju, stay. All right, go.
You're gonna say ready.
Pants are falling off for me. Yeah, I gotta get Jaxson some juice. The juice is so expensive. Like, why? But he wants juice. I don't know. I will get him some juice. I hate getting water so hard. at all the temptation. Oh, look at this. So good. Oh, no. It's not what we hear. Not what we hear. Get yogurt. Daddy. She's sleeping. I'm done and she's sleeping. Just getting back in the house. Say hi, man. Hi, baby. I'm so tired. You gonna lay down on the floor for me? Like, it is not easy having a baby. It's not easy at all. Don't let anyone lie to y'all. It's not easy. Yes, it's not easy. It's not easy. And do a load of laundry. I have to do a load of laundry and feed Maddie some lunch because she's up now, so might as well feed her. And I would eat something, but I'm fasting for 3 days. Yeah, I'm fasting for 3 days, not for weight loss or any of that. My son's infection is back. I don't remember if I had talked to you guys in detail about what it is that he suffered from, but his infection is back, and I have to make a decision to have the surgery where they're gonna cut the tube. Is it a tube? Yeah, the tube that carries the sperm from the testicle to the penis. They're gonna cut that. The last surgery that he had, I was hoping that when we opened him back up, because he has he was born with hypospadias, and we repaired it and it didn't work. So we opened him back up like a butterfly. Yeah, we opened him back up, and I was hoping that that surgery would get him to puberty so that I could bank his sperm. Like a sperm bank. I can't even talk today. Sperm bank. So we opened him back up in hopes of getting him to puberty, but that didn't happen because he's 11 now. So, and the infection is back, so I have to make a decision on what I want to do. And so I'm fasting and I'm praying for an answer to be able to make the right decision, because like I've always told my husband, this is not my decision. It is my decision, but it should be up to my son whether or not, you know, like I'm gonna make him not be able to have kids. And I don't know, it's not something I can live with, you know. This is someone's husband that you're dealing with, you know. He's gonna grow up, he's gonna get married, and I don't know the effect that it will have on him. So I have to make the decision with a clear mind, and with me praying and asking God for guidance in this decision, because we go on Friday for his consultation with his urologist, and I want to be able to give him a clear answer and a clear decision on what it is that my husband and I decided to do with our son. So that's that. So if you guys pray, and if you guys pray, please keep my son in your prayers. If you don't, then just send us positive thoughts, and for a successful outcome. Anyways, yeah, so that's that. Watching Maddie down here on the floor. She grew up. She's growing up so fast. So fast. Maddie, you're growing up so fast, baby. So fast. She's already 6 months old. Maddie, baby. So yeah, I don't know what to cook for dinner. I bought 2 things of chicken. I bought chicken thigh and chicken breast. No, yeah. Jojo, stop! This dog just irritates me. Why are you doing that? Like, what's the purpose of chewing that up, Jojo? He's like a child. So I bought chicken breast. No, I didn't buy any chicken breast. I don't know what I bought. You guys saw what I bought. And ground beef. So I might do ground beef for dinner. I don't know. I'm so nauseous though. I'm gonna tell you guys, fasting is not easy. It's just, I think it's just pure mind over matter. Like, but it's not easy. Like, I'm so nauseous. Like, I feel like I'm gonna throw up. But I have to be strong, I have to be strong for my son, for my future son, for my son in the future, not my future son. He's already my future. He's already my son. But it's like I was like shit, literally shaking in the grocery store. But I gotta go pray and get on my knees because it's midday. So I gotta go do my midday prayer and talk to God and do all that. So I will catch you guys later. Madison, hey baby, hi. Where you going? Maddie, where you going, baby? Madison.
And return to your lamp by sunset.
Come here, baby.
The fruit fell on King Habib. Dad, you're a genius.
I just know how to keep looking until I find what I'm after.
Mama love it. And I love you.
No, No. My husband's deodorant is on the floor. Why? Why? Because I dropped it.
Stay over here. Look at this girl.
Maddie's sleeping. Look at the beauty. She's in her little summer outfit. I cut her nails, guys. She had the sharpest nail. Yeah, she had the sharpest nail, and she was like literally digging it in my face and my breast when I nursed her, and I was just like, oh, and it would be so unexpected. Like, you'd be nursing her and she just nick her little finger in there, like, I'm like, oh, I catch myself. I'm like, oh, she's a baby. But my husband is not home yet. It's after 5 o'clock. It's a little after 5 and he's not back. I forgot to update you guys. So my husband left the night job. He left the night job. He's no longer at the night job, and he's back with his original employee. Like, he's back with I don't know if you guys can see me, just that my hands are so Yeah, so he's back with his old company that he was working for, but he took a pay cut, which is good. He went from salary to back to hourly, but he makes more money overtime than salary, which would make sense for him to go hourly. But anyways, but then when you do hourly overtime, they tax you like crazy, so you don't really see that money. And I just stopped saying but yes, my husband is back. He's not working the night job anymore. He's not working the night job anymore. He's home now in the evenings with us, but he's back on the road. So I have to cook more lunches and stuff for him to have. I'm so tired. Like fasting, when you fast, you get so out of breath and tired, and everything uses energy. Everything uses energy, and I'm like, oh. Okay, Jojo. What's up, Jordan?
May I make a sandwich?
Sure. A sandwich? Why? I'm about to do dinner. Never mind. About to do dinner. Yeah, so I'm about to do dinner because my husband's about to be home soon. And I might show you guys what I'm cooking. I might not. I might just end the vlog here and just give you guys what I recorded from this afternoon. Or I might go all the way until later on. I don't know. I don't have anything else to share with you guys. I'm so tired. I don't even want to cook, but I have to cook because my husband didn't want to go to work. I'm sure my husband don't want to go to work, but he has to go to work. So if he has to do stuff, then I have to do stuff. But yeah, well, that's that. I feel like I'm supposed to be telling you guys something, but I'm forgetting what it is. So yeah, I don't know. Anyways, I will talk to you guys later. Peace.